Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So I'm just kidding. So yeah, welcome back to my channel guys, and today's video, it's another collaboration and it's another unboxing and review, and we're gonna try it on and how this works and how it's very is it useful. I bet it's very useful, so stay tuned and be frosty and stay with me and bear with me as well, because without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling. And yeah, and today's videos guys, it's another unboxing, another collaboration. Oh my god, so thank you so much for for any brand out there for picking me as your brand ambassador or to collaborate with you guys. Thank you so much for trusting. So yeah, without any further ado, like I said, let's keep the ball rolling. And what we had here, what's in my hand, it's an earphone, so what we have here, it's VT wireless stereo earphone. It's right there. So as far as I believe, they have 3 different color. They have black, they have also rose gold, kind of pink, and white one. So they gave me this white color, and also because I picked the rose gold as well. So let's open this together, and I hope you guys are doing okay and alright. And yeah, it's in this one. And thank you so much. What happened to my hair, guys? It's like a normal. Sorry about that. This is how it looks like. Oh my goodness. So yeah, sorry about that. I need to fix my hair. I don't want to look like ugly in my video. So this is what's inside. So when you walk, when you do for a jogging or a gym, you can just wear this one. It's a Bluetooth. Yeah, there you go. And you can do like that, different shape from heart. Amazing. And for safety, press the button here. It has a holder and you can put in your neck. Very nice. I have lots of earphone. I have different brand, but this one is pretty amazing. It's a game changer. Press the one there. See the button? See, there you go. And you can just put in your neck. There you go. I like the heart one. And you can adjust it. Oh, it really matches my heart necklace as well. So yeah, I think I should remove my necklace so that it would not be distracted. So this is how it looks like. And I have, let me open this one for you. I'll show you how the rose gold. I super love it. The pink one. This is the pink one. I love the pink one as well. Let me get closer to the camera so that you guys can see it right. There you go. And so this is Shure wireless quality sound. So this is this is HD microphone with bass sound and game mode as well. So it's wireless stereo headset, like I said. So it's a new upgrade core technology from Vitog G30, and don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link in my description if you guys are interested and purchase it. I can give you a discount code for this one. So yeah, this is our Versonic 5.3, and it has speaker size 13 moving coil unit. Its frequency response 20 Hz and 20 kHz, and its sensitivity is 105 dB, and it spans 332 diameter, and its mic sensitivity it's 38 dB, and its headphone battery type it's lithium ion polymer battery. Okay, so its headphone charging time within 1.5 hours, charging compartment battery type lithium ion polymer battery. So charging time of charging compartment within 1.5 hours. So amazing. So it has also inside it, they have the manual where you can, it's just easy, you just to make sure you have read the instruction. It's just easy, please don't use the earphone at the high volume to avoid affecting the user's hearing. That's right. So yeah, it's the manual there, the writing. So yeah, this is very lightweight, it's hi-fi, so you just turn on your Wi-Fi. This is really works with iOS phones, like for iPhone or any kind of Android phones, or even for your laptop. This is really works pretty good. And see, it has like a casing on it. Imagine. I forgot to show you. So this is, see, this is the casing, and you just like the plug right there for USB. It's very easy, and open your heart, and there you go. You can have your earphone. This is the casing. This is like a game changer earphone so far that I got. This is, I think they're not that pricey as well. They were like 29, excluded for the shipping fee. That's not bad. So yeah, and they gave us this for free, for me, a free sample as their brand ambassador to promote their product. So thank you so much for this VTG30 earphone, for this wonderful and amazing and such a game-changing earphone. So yeah, and one thing about this one also, let me read it to you. So yeah, it works for laptop, Android phones as well, and for your iPhones and my iPhone as well. So because I'm an iPhone user. And one thing about this, I like the color white. I picked the white one because most of my earphones are black, and I don't have white one yet, and the pink one as well, so that when it's like, when you lose it, it's easy to find because it's a bright color. That's why I picked the white one and the pink one as well. So that's, there are 3 colors that you can pick. It's lightweight. It's compared to any other earphones that I have. They're like, maybe my ears are not just big enough for the earbuds, but this one it's perfect right there because I have a small ears and cute ears. It's perfect. And what else can I say about this product? It's amazing. So its model is Key 520 and the brand is VTG30. So yeah, and this is exceptional audio and crystal clear calls whenever you have calls, and you can experience seamless audio with this true wireless earbuds, leveraging Bluetooth. You just turn on your Bluetooth and connect it. So very easy. So I can't wait to use this one. And for faster and more stable connections, and for oversized 3mm drivers, bring powerful bass, clear mid-range and bright treble emerging to your every note. So built-in microphones also, and capture your voice precisely and ensuring crystal clear calls. So the bad design seals your ears. As you can see, the bad design seals your ear, blocking noise and enhancing bass performance. Amazing. So it has unmatched comfort, lightweight, like I mentioned a while ago. It is lightweight. It does not hurt your ears, and each earbud weighs only 0.2 ounces, making your mini wireless Bluetooth headset incredibly lightweight and comfortable to use it. So yeah, and also it's effortless dual touch control, and also 45-hour playtime. You can use it for 40 hours. Enjoy your music and calls for hours and end with 45-minute full charge. So very easy. And so I think I said it all. And yeah, it is the perfect. Here's another thing, the perfect gift. It's also perfect gift with a 1-year warranty. Wow, so amazing. So yeah, this is perfect for gift and to your friends and loved ones, and you can give it to them. So thank you so much for this earphone, VTG30 wireless stereo earphone. Thank you so much. And this has been Erica Lifestyle here, and saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your days. Bye. Thank you for watching.